everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to enable 4K on Disney+. Enabling 4K on Disney+ is generally quite straightforward, but it requires a few things to work correctly. The first thing you'll need to ensure is that you have a Disney+ subscription that includes 4K streaming. Not all the plans offers this feature, so make sure to check your subscription details or plan option to confirm. Once you have a 4K subscription for your Disney Plus account, open a web browser and sign into it. Simply type in disneyplus.com and type in your login credential in the login area, and after you're signed into the account, go ahead and click on your human icon at the top right corner right next to your name, and then click on the app settings option. Once you open up the app settings option, find the section related to video playback. It might be named video playback or data uses. And once you get to this page, choose the automatic option. If you have any other option selected, make sure you choose automatic so that you can stream in the highest quality available up to 4K UHD, and finally click on save. Soon after you do that, you will be able to stream 4K contents on Disney+, but make sure that you have first taken the subscription that includes 4K streaming in it. So that is how you will be able to enable 4K on Disney+. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.